All right, everybody. I'm here with the George St. Pierre limited edition Rush watch, and I'm going to give everyone a demo on how to use a deployant clasp, which is this kind of clasp right here, which is a unique clasp that some watches come with. And then when you get it, it can be a little confusing because it looks like, wait, how do I get this to go in? There's a pin in there, it's blocked, I can't get it, right? So it looks like it's a broken buckle or it's missing a piece, when in fact it's not. All you actually have to do when you have this buckle, as you see here, this is actually a component that comes off. So you just give a little upward pressure and both of these pieces will open. This one opens and then this one opens. This is why it's called deployant or butterfly buckle. So you should, when you open it, you'll have this kind of thing right here. So now the strap is ready to be sized. There's just one more step. This last piece actually opens. See that? You just pop it open. So this is it closed, this is it open. Deployant clasps are actually desirable because they allow you to size the watch once. So now that it's in its open position, now I can size it to wherever I want. Let's just say right over there. And you see how it's open on the bottom? I just close it. And now whenever I want to close the watch, I close. So there's two sides. There's a side that the strap went through, and then there's a side with the buckle attached. You always want to push down and close that side first. Why? Because now you could feed this one over and in. Sorry, it's hard to do this and record. And in here. And you see how it clicks shut? And that's the watch in the closed position. It's a sapphire crystal, so it can't scratch. And then once you want to open it, it's always going to be sized to your wrist. So you just take out this piece right here, right? And that pulled it open. So theoretically it's like that. A little pressure will pull this up, and then this side just pulls up, and now you have it in the open position. But if you look, it's always going to stay sized to your wrist, right? It's a cool case back. And then one more time to close it, this side first, the side with the loop, and then put it over. Sometimes people do this and they try and close it and they can't close it. You have to put it up and then down. See, so it comes over the buckle. Slide that in and then just push down. Make sure you get that click, because that's how you know it's closed and secure on both sides. And you can always just push down a little bit when it's finished. So that's how you put on a deployant clasp. And there you go.